Alright, so we're at the fork here. So Kakwa is up that way. This is the McGregor River. That's where the Buchanan connects, and that's where the GDT is. So this is end of June, and you know, it doesn't look too bad to cross, but you're definitely getting wet. And there is another creek crossing that we saw further down, but just so you guys know, most of the road is washed out. Like, we came up the river here and you can just see the road disappearing into this river. So you're going to be doing kind of some bushwhacking. I don't know if the trail goes in there, we'll find out eventually, but this is what the area looks like. And yeah, like the GDT is literally, how do I get my finger in here? Anyway, straight ahead over there. And Kakwa is up that way, and gorgeous mountains up here. Trail right here, I think that was it. This is up here, look at this. A waterfall. Up here. That looks like the road, maybe. Yeah, that's the road. Right here's the GDT somewhere here. It's gotta be it. There's the bridge, see? Washed out. Road over there from the GDT. We put up a rope. I don't know if it's going to help you guys at all. I mean, it's a feeble attempt, but it's pretty deep in the middle and pretty fast flowing. I would actually recommend going down here to this log jam, and water here is shallow until you get to about, you know, halfway out. And I don't know, it looks pretty tough to get to those logs there, but it looks like getting to those logs maybe. So try to zoom in on the water. You can see there's rocks, shallow rocks halfway across. So it's not that bad at all. It's just this section over here is deep and fast flowing. So, you know, you get to there and then it's like you're gonna get wet, but at least you go into the log pile, pull yourself out and get back to the GDT. We've been upstream and downstream and we just don't see any other alternative here. So it's ripping and roaring. That's the GDT Walker Forest Road there. Thanks, Dan.
It's actually not too bad.
Here we go, crossing the Buchanan. That's the most shallow spot. It's freezing cold. You lose feeling in your legs for a while, but it's necessary. Right down by these logs is currently the best place to cross.
Yeah, it is tough when it doesn't have weight.